Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the thread size and pitch. Choose the right tap, such as M6 versus 1/4-20, because accuracy matters. Clamp the part firmly and use a center punch, then drill the pilot hole to the recommended diameter. Once done, apply cutting oil liberally to reduce heat and chip buildup. Make sure you hold the tap square to the hole. This prevents crooked threads, and it sets you up for smooth, controlled cutting as you start turning. You now cut the threads by turning the tap clockwise 1/2 to 1 full rotation, and then back it off 1/4 rotation to break chips. This clears the flute and prevents binding. Maintain consistent forward pressure and verify alignment after every few turns, because any tilt creates a bad thread. Make sure to reapply cutting oil often to cool and lubricate. For blind holes, stop before the full depth and remove chips. Then resume. This prevents clog. You finish by backing the tap completely out, then clean the newly cut threads with a brush and compressed air to remove remaining chips. Once cleaned, test the fit with the mating bolt to confirm engagement and smooth rotation. If it feels tight, chase the threads gently to refine them. If the tap binds or breaks, reverse slowly to clear chips, apply more oil, and use a smaller step tap or a tap extractor if needed. This prevents further damage and lets you recover the part.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.